Today, let's talk about the anatomy and physiology of the GI tract. When we eat something, our salivary glands produce an enzyme that starts to break down the food that we eat. As we swallow, it goes into the esophagus and travels into the stomach. The stomach is a very acidic environment, usually a pH of 1.5 to 3.5. Here, it stores the food temporarily and it breaks it down. Once it's broken down, it passes through the pyloric sphincter and into the small intestine. In the small intestine is where all the nutrients are absorbed. It receives digestive enzymes from the pancreas and liver. It also receives bile from the gallbladder. With the digestive enzymes and the bile, it creates what we call chyme. That is what's absorbed in the small intestine. Everything else passes along and into the large intestine. In the large intestine, also known as the colon, that's where water and electrolytes are absorbed. As it's moving along the large intestine, it's absorbing everything that the body needs. Everything that the body doesn't need forms what we call feces or excrement. The feces and excrement move into the rectum, and that's what we eliminate, or poop. The pancreas, liver, and gallbladder are known as accessory organs. They're not necessarily part of the GI tract, but they help the process. There are many functions of the liver. Like I said, it creates bile. It also creates albumin and cholesterol. It converts glucose, sugar, into glycogen for storage. It also produces the clotting factors and regulates blood clotting. The gallbladder stores bile and releases it into the small intestine. It's very alkalotic and it helps emulsify lipids to help with absorption. The pancreas has exocrine and endocrine functions. The exocrine function is for digestion. It produces and releases the digestive enzymes trypsin, amylase, and lipase. Trypsin breaks down proteins. Amylase breaks down carbohydrates. Lipase breaks down fat. The endocrine function regulates blood sugar. It releases insulin and glucagon.